Ever felt stuck staring at a blank page? Drowned in a sea of information overload? Wish you had a tireless assistant by your side to brainstorm, research, and even write for you? Well, what if I told you there's a powerful tool that can do just that, and it's constantly learning and evolving? That's where Gemini comes in. But hold on a second. Before you jump in and expect a magic robot to write your next bestseller, let's unpack who Gemini can truly benefit. Creative blockbusters. We've all been there. The dreaded writer's block. Staring at a cursor that mocks your lack of inspiration. But Gemini can be your creative muse. Need a fresh story idea? Stuck on a plot point? Gemini can spark inspiration by generating different scenarios, character ideas, or even story outlines. Think of it as a brainstorming partner on steroids. It throws out ideas, explores different angles, and helps you break through that mental block. Information navigators. Information overload is a real struggle in today's world. We're bombarded with data from every direction. But Gemini can be your personal research assistant. Need to compile information for a project or presentation? Gemini can scour the web, summarize key points, and even generate different perspectives on a topic. Imagine being able to condense hours of research into a clear, concise, and well-sourced report. That's the power of Gemini at your fingertips. Content creation champions. If you're a content creator, you know the constant struggle of churning out fresh and engaging content. But Gemini can be your secret weapon. Need catchy headlines for your blog posts? Stuck on a video script intro? Gemini can draft different options, helping you find the perfect tone and voice for your audience. It can even translate languages, write different creative text formats like poems or code, and answer your questions in an informative way. Students on a quest for knowledge. Whether you're a high school student drowning in textbooks or a college student juggling multiple assignments, Gemini can be a valuable study companion. Need help understanding complex concepts? Struggling to paraphrase a passage for an essay? Gemini can break down information, rephrase text, and even generate different writing styles. Imagine being able to clarify confusing topics or get a fresh perspective on an essay draft. That's the kind of support Gemini can offer students of all levels. Busy professionals saving time. Time is a precious commodity, especially for busy professionals. But Gemini can be your time-saving superhero. Need to quickly draft an email or summarize a meeting? Running short on time for a presentation? Gemini can generate drafts, translate documents, and answer your questions in an informative way, freeing you up to focus on more strategic tasks. But is Gemini right for you? While Gemini offers a vast array of capabilities, it's important to understand it's not a magic bullet. It can't replace your creativity, critical thinking, or fact-checking skills. Think of it as a powerful tool that enhances your abilities, not replaces them. It's there to assist you, not do the work entirely. So, who is Gemini best for? If you're a creative mind seeking inspiration, an information seeker drowning in data, a content creator hungry for fresh ideas, a student on a quest for knowledge, or a busy professional yearning for more time, then Gemini might just be the perfect partner for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.